Good morning and welcome to Orchids 365 if you're new, and if you've been here, welcome back. So I wanted to start off in this corner because the Oncidium that was trying to steal the show is blooming, and the Ophyllum is still looking amazing, so I thought, why not, right? And the other spike of the Oncidium is way back. Look how high up, way back there. And I believe these are dancing ladies. I don't have IDs. This was a division from one that was growing on a rock, full sun, at my mother-in-law's house years ago. So I took a division, and guys, she's just growing basically in the air. See those roots? Never had a chance to repot her, and I haven't touched her. She's sitting in that plastic pot with a little bit of soil. And I don't know, she's just, every year she gets bigger and happier and healthier, and I am not the Oncidium grower. So since something's definitely going good with her, I don't even want to touch her. My driftwood, there's nothing really in bloom there. I just have these little cute mini phals that got caught up in the mix. And my dendrobium bicycle is starting to do its thing. The den microchips were on their way out, and now I have these that I so lovingly refer to as my cotton candy dendrobiums. And she's starting to bloom and do her thing. This corner is getting magical. Well, the purpose of this video was to update you on the previous 3 repots that I had done. So I'm gonna head over to the other growing area, and ooh, there's a lot of little hidden spikes in that little den basket, and we will start updating. Okay, in an effort to start the updates in order, this was the first one, very special to me, from Grismelda. The one that she sent me out of the goodness of her heart when she saw that I had a mislabeled Dick Smith. And she may look a little rough, but there's progress. I'm going to gently show you that there's new growth in there. See? There's little rootsies. She's still fragile. See that? Yay! That is such a good sign. So it's the day that I fertilize. She will get her dose of seaweed, and I see some magic happening. I am very hopeful. So that was my first one. So I'm gonna head over here. My second one, she still looks pretty rough. I don't know if she's gonna make it, because when you catch them when they're showing a lot of signs, then you know it probably was too late. I probably messed up. I do work and I do have children, and guys, this happens. And the reason I'm doing this video is to show you not all the repots are successful, just like not all endings are happy endings, and that's fine. It just makes you a better grower, learning from your mistakes. So I don't know, I don't want to touch too much. She could probably be dead already. I'm still gonna keep trying though. I try until the very end. While I see green, there's still hope, and while I see roots, there is. So that was my second one. That was an emergency, and this was the mislabeled Dick Smith one, which is funny because like I don't know if she just thought that I didn't love her because her flower was beautiful, but it's just wow. But you know, if I failed, I failed. What can we do? Then my last one is doing amazing, the one that I put in the basket because she needed to breathe, and the growth has gotten even bigger there. I think she's growing a new leaf. I haven't peeked inside to see if there's actual buds. Let me see. The pigmentation. This flower is one of my favorite, the green veil dressy. So I was like, I must save her. Her roots are looking good. See? So out of 3, 2 of them seem to be success stories. And I'll keep you posted if this baby makes it or not. So I always forget to do the updates. So I hope you liked it. And for my next 3 repots, I'm having to decide whether to do my Lady of the Night, which is up there, my Medusa, I think. There you go. Yeah, she's amazing, but I think she needs out. She's root bound there, but I don't know. There's just something. I just want to put her in a pot with holes and better drainage and clean that up real good, kind of like I did with this Cattleya. Cleaned her up and then repurposed the pot. And she's super happy. She's doubled in size. I also have one of my very, very favorite Laelias. When you have weeds growing in there, yeah, that's a sign. So if you can just hop on there in the comments and tell me which one you would like to see next. I'm guessing my Laelia needs it, and I really don't want her to get messed up. Really love her. And besides that would be then my Francis Fox, which is down here, and my new orchids, which would probably be done all in one video, would be one of the repotting videos, because they need to be in a better container. And I'm gonna end this video on a positive note, the story of the little leaf that could. See that little leaf? Orchid cacti blooming, yeah, in the spring. Yep. I was repotting my Christmas cacti that bloomed back in February on Valentine's Day, and she just fell off. And I said, oh man, this leaf looks so pretty. I'm going to just put her in this pot right here. And I guess she's thanking me for keeping her. So on this note, I'm just gonna leave you with a happy message of, if you feel defeated, if you feel like, you know, you're stressed, and there's always another day, and there's always hope for a better tomorrow. And I say goodbye with my beautiful Arachnis with her beautiful spike. And just keep growing, y'all. Stay positive, stay healthy, be safe, and most importantly, be kind. Bye.